As a sustainability professional, I believe that the global trend is significantly leaning to naturally sourced surfaces as opposed to ceramics and porcelain because of the environmental concerns on their manufacturing process. Moreover, stone surfaces have always represented the impression of richness, durability, and quality. So if you are looking from a functional perspective or an aesthetical perspective, either ways, stone and marble will definitely be the better choice. I believe it will be interesting to those who are concerned by the deteriorating livability of the cities. I've structured the presentation on if our cities are following the proper paradigms. Then a quick overview on livability, how livable our Arab cities are, and what should be done to increase livability. Then on sustainability, what should we do to reserve adequate resources for the upcoming generations? And then smartness, and how could the Internet of Things and intelligent connectivity solutions improve the efficiency of our cities.